Hi, I'm Amit and I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel MBA Easy. We are discussing CAT 2020 slot 3 question. This is a question on profit and loss. कहता है a man buys 35 kg sugar. Okay, so he buys 35 kg sugar and sets a marked price in order to make 20% profit. Remember guys, 20% profit means 1/5 profit, right? 1/5 profit. So if I select my cost price as say 5x, then 1/5 of 5x is x. So my marked price will be x more. So 5x plus x how much? 6x. So let's say my cost price and my marked price. My cost price per article is 5x. My marked price per article will be 6x. ठीक है? फिर कहता है he sells 5 kg at this price. Okay. So 5 kg is sold at 6x. So my sales or selling sales total sales will be 5 into 6x 30x, and then 15 kg at 10% discount. At 10% discount. If there is no discount, my total sales will be 15 into 6x, that is 90x. If there is no discount, then 90x. So 90x is the sales when there is no discount. There is a 10% discount. So minus 10%. So 10% of 9x, 90x is 9x. So 90 minus 9x, 81x is the sales from the second sales. 15 kg. 3 kg is wasted, gone. 3 kg is gone. So 15 plus 5, 20 plus 3, 23 kg is gone. Out of 35, 23 is gone. So what remains is 12 kg. अब 12 केजी को किसी प्राइस पे बेचा गया होगा, इस तरीके से बेचा गया है कि कैसे बेचा गया है, इसको इसका मार्केट प्राइस को बढ़ाया गया है. इसका मार्केट प्राइस है कितना 6x. तो 6x पे ना बेच के इसको 6x से ज्यादा पे बेचा गया है, इसका प्राइस को इंक्रीज करके, सो दैट ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट कितना हो 15% हो. तो पहले ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट से हम ये निकल जाएगा कि ओवरऑल सेल्स क्या होगा. सी cost price is 5x and there are 35 no kg of sugar. 35 kg of sugar is purchased. So my total cost is 35 into 5x 175x. So this is my total cost. So I know my cost is how much 175x total cost, and I have to get 15% profit. Now 10% profit is 17.5x and 5% profit is 5% of this. So 5% of this will be 8.75, right? So this is 25x, and then you have 6 plus 7 13 plus 8 21 1, and then 21 2 and 3 plus this 20 201.25x. So this has to be my overall sales. My overall sales has to be 15% more than 175. So 10% is 17.5, 5% is half of this. If you add all of this 201.25x, this has to be my overall sales. Now from this 201.25 sales, I have already got 30 plus 81, that is 111. So what remains is 201.25x minus 111x, right? So this will give you 0.25x, and here it will be 90. So 90.25x has to be obtained by selling 12 kg of no remaining sugar. Now 12 kg का कॉस्ट हमारा सेल्स आएगा 90.25, तो हम कह सकते हैं माई सेलिंग प्राइस हैज टू बी दिस डिवाइडेड बाई 12. ये हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस होगा किसका, ये होगा सेलिंग प्राइस हमारा 12 kg का. ओरिजिनल सेलिंग प्राइस कितना था 12 इंटू 6x कितना था 72x. अभी ये 72x न होके हमारा कितना है 90.25x पर केजी छोड़ दीजिए, टोटल सेल्स ही देखिए 72x हमारा टोटल सेल होना चाहिए था. 12 kg 6x हमारा मार्केट प्राइस था, तो 12 इंटू 6 72x में बिकना चाहिए था बिना डिस्काउंट के, लेकिन हमें बेचना कितने में पड़ेगा 90.25x में, बिकॉज आई हैव टू इंक्रीज दिस बाय सर्टेन p परसेंटेज. क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है ना मार्क प्राइस इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय p परसेंट. क्यों, ताकि हमारा 15% का प्रॉफिट आए. 15% प्रॉफिट के लिए हमें इसको 90.25x में बेचना होगा, ना कि 72x में. सो आई कैन सी from 72x, I have to raise it to 90.25x, right? So the profit is as you can see 17.75. 17.75 is the percentage, is the overall increase, divided by its base 72x into 100 will give me my percentage increase in the marked price, right? So x cancel हो जाएगा, this will give you 775 divided by 72. So 72 से 2 times 144 निकल गया, तो बचा कितना 33, राइट? 144 निकल जाएगा ना, तो 2 times में 144, राइट? तो 2 निकल गया, 44 तो 335, so 4 times 24 point something. I know it is 24 point something. So the marked price has to be increased by 24 point something percentage. So it is nearest to which one? 25. Very beautiful question. A question where there was some calculation involved, no doubt. So CAT will ask you some questions where there will be some calculation. So this was one which was slightly calculation intensive, but it is not as big a calculation, as complex a calculation that you have to take help from the calculator. So this can still is still manageable if you have practiced enough. These sorts of questions you should be able to do in exam conditions also. I hope you have understood the idea here. Thank you. Thank you for watching.